Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I would like to show you how to properly take care of your sector control. However, it is possible for dirt to build up in the interior or for moving parts to become slightly stuck. First, we will turn off the motor box. The button can be found on the top left of the motor box's backside, after which we will use an air gun to blow out any loose dirt and debris. Feel free to proceed with high pressure, as there is no need to be concerned about any parts coming loose. Afterwards, we will decouple the lower blue couplings. Currently, the brackets are locked in place. To loosen them, pull the coupling down and place it in the smaller lock. We will now do that again on the right side. The brackets are now spinning smooth and freely. We will spray all moving parts with some silicone lubricant. Please do not use oils and greases, as they will build up the dirt and grime even more and become very inconvenient in the long run. We have 2 metal rings, which running on a total of 6 rolling elements. You can recognize these elements quite easy if you look into the slit in here. There is a visible nut between the screws that hold the plates. This one does not reach up to the top metal plate. We will now spray the lower rolling element in this one, as shown in the picture. As mentioned, there are 6 rollers. We recognize the right spot. When you find a nut that does not reach to the metal plates on the top and the bottom, these are the places that we want to get into with the lubricant. Feel free to give another squeeze and let the bracket spin a bit back and forth a few times so that the lubricant is distributed evenly. Next, we will pull up the seals on the axle. As can be clearly seen in the video, they are on both sides of the motor box, and they are movable, so you can pull them up a bit. Also give a good spray here as well. When we are on the side, feel free to spray into the blue coupling and moving it up and down. The axles themselves could also be lubed too. Start at the top again so that the lubricant can trickle down. We will now repeat this on the right side as well. Spray the axle seal on this side as well, and then go upwards and spray and move all moving parts. Great, that was everything we need to do. Now the sector is in perfect condition for the next season. We will now turn on the motor box again. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye.